We are here at the Groove Dental Clinic. We are in collaboration with Groove Dental Clinic. ICNA Relief Back2School is hosting a back-to-school drive along with a health fair. We are giving away backpacks filled with supplies and snacks and information, health resources, as well as we're doing health screenings for the families that come and get these services from us. So we're very excited for the back-to-school season as kids are preparing to go back to school, and we are helping them to be ready and confident as the school year starts.
We are setting up a booth here with the help of ICNA, and with ICNA initiative, Islamic Circle of North America. Every year they do a lot of events for the kids, especially back to school event, and this is one of the very vital event. And from Grove Dental Clinic, we decided to participate together and work together. And we are providing some logistic for this one, venue for this one, and as well as some other help. But ICNA's efforts has been proven to be very effective for the kids every year, giving some happiness to the kids before they go to school in the form of school bags and some special supplies and all other goodies we have here, and screening for healthcare with the doctor. And this is my old patient from 1990s and 92 since I started practice. He's coming back after so many years. I just happened to see him with the kids. I was so happy to see it. Like when I see the kids and their families and their grandkids and coming to the office, it's a great thing. And we are happy to give them very nice, beautiful bags with the supplies inside, and toothbrush packs and other things. When they, especially with the current situation, the way things are going in the economy and other civil rights violations, people are very reluctant to spend money, and there are a lot of limited resources, and a lot of people, they cannot afford some of the basic supplies for the kids and the things. It's a good opportunity for those families and come and be part of it. Not only we provide these what we have here, but also help them in the long run if they need any other help. And we are here to help, since Almighty God has blessed us so many blessings in the form of having offices and staff and house and buildings, and this is our time to give away. And we are so happy and humbled and proud to be part of this organization and to serve the community. And I hope this will help some of the people who are coming here. Yeah.